everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brian, and today of course we have a new dance tutorial for you. Again, this is my favorite singer, artist, Trey Songz and Chris Brown. So the title of the song is called 24 Hours. Alright, so let's start. Alright, start from here. Start from the back. So you're gonna forward on 1 and a 2. Step first on the right. Verification 7 and 1, 2. Alright, you're gonna go 3.3 and. Oh, my count is wrong. 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3 and. Right. 4, 5, 6. Chest 7, 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. One more time. 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Stay on 5, 6, chest 7. 8 and 1. Stop from here. 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4. Remember, from here, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Step on 5 and 6. So for this one, isolation. Step your right to the back. So 7. Bend, lift 8 and 1. One more time. From here, 6, 7 from turn, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Always change the count. Alright, let's try from the top. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Stay. 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. That's the counting. For the last time. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Next. Nab, 2. You go this one, 3, 4. Then your legs in, out, in. Like that. 7, and do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see that? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, go 5, 6. Grab chest, set, bend, 8. Open on 1. So this one, move. So 5, 6. From here. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Head 5. Punch. Grab 6. Move. 8. 1. Alright, let's start from the beginning. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, move, 1. Good job. Alright, next from here, 7, 8, step on 1. You hear click. So hit back on 2. 2. We'll change on 3. Lift on 4. This is easy. 5 and 6. 7. Turn around on 8. 1. Let's do it slowly. Move. 7, 8, 1, 2, ball change, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1. Grabe? Nakuha niyo ba? You got it? Let's start from the beginning. Let's combine for 8. Here we go. In 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, not 3, 4, 5, 6, move, 8, 1, 2, ball change, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Good job. So next from here, 8. So 7, 5, 7, 8. This is 1. Drop on 2. All right. Watch carefully. Then hit 3. Kick up 3 and 4. So watch 4. Go right, left, and 6. So that's 5. Set up 5 and 6. Overhead 7. Close fit. Hit on 8. Simple as that. One more time. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6, 7, 8. Good job. Let's start from a boo. 6, 7, and 7, 8. 1, 2. Ball change. 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Here we go. 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Good job. From the beginning. Slowly. Even super slow. Alright, so you can get it. Here we go. In 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, head, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, back, ball change, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, go, 1, 2, here we go, and 4, hit, and 6, 7, 8. Good job. So next, last 8. Basically, yeah, last 8. No, 2 8. Last 8. Sorry. Yeah, last 8 from here. 7, 8. Basically, simple. 1, catch banana. Catch the banana or apple. 2, back on 3 and a 4. Your ad lib, 4 counts, you got a sharp. 5, 6, 7. On 8, we gotta wait. 8. And that's it. You got it? Let's try one more time. So 5, 6, 7, and 8 away. Catch the banana. 2, 3, and a 4. Ad lib on 5, 6, 7. Wait. And that's it. Good job. Let's do it from the beginning. All of it. All right. Here we go. In 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, more go. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Here and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Who? Good job! Thank you so much guys for watching Untitled Choreography. Please don't forget to click that notification bell so you will be notified in our new upload video in the future. Alright? See you on our next video. Bye bye.